Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to install RetroArch. All you first want to do is you want to go to our website and type in simply, well, actually just simply type in RetroArch. I already installed it, so it's already on here. But you want to go to here, and after that, what you want to do is you want to go to download. And after you go to download, then you want to go to here. Now, this is whichever one you want. I mean, I don't really know why you want it on Windows 2000 me 90 90 ASC or 98 or 95 in general, but this is for Windows 10 or Windows 7. I'm sorry, I just find that very funny. I'm sure there's uses for it though. And down here is for, they have it in the Google Play Store, and I have it on Raspberry Pi, or for Linux, right? And then I also have it for Linux. Now I'm on Windows, so I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna bother with installing it. So it is I have 64-bit, whichever one you have. But click on installer and then let it download, and after it downloads, it won't really ask you for much. I mean, your computer will give you a dialog box that says, do you want to let this program make changes to your computer, and then you select yes. And then you'll be greeted with this. Now, don't mind a message in the corner. It was a friend. I'll get to that in another video. What you want to do is you want to go down, and you want to go to Online Updater. Now, cores are ROM, or not ROM, cores are consoles. I'll give you an example. Core downloader. Well, I didn't want to download that, but I just did. Oh, there's an example for the download. You just click on them, quite literally. All you gotta do is one click and it'll start download. Now, as you can see, they have Atari, they have Doom 3. I don't know why you'd really want that, but okay. But, sorry, excuse me. They do have consoles. They have, go down. Okay, right, Nintendo DS, Game Boy. They have pretty much a ton of consoles. GameCube, NES. Any console you can think of other than Microsoft, they have it. They don't have Microsoft consoles, Xboxes, sadly. But then again, I don't really think there is one. There is, but I forgot what the name of it was. But oh well. At the end of this video, I will be doing something for someone, because he did something for me in return, or not in return, but he did something for me. And I'll like to point out that this is not a sub for sub, but I'm gonna get back to this. So what I do is you click on this, click on one of these, whichever game it runs on. Then you go back by clicking on the logo. Then you go to download ROMs. Now to download ROMs, you go to Vimslayer. Now that I'm not going to get into, but it's pretty simple. You just look up Vimslayer and go to the vault, and then find a game for a console that you want, and either you can search it. Now, you can use controllers for this. The awesome thing about this is that it auto configures them, but you can also configure them yourself. As of where, I'll need to see. But I'm gonna reply to this real quick. I don't really care if anyone sees my Facebook. Bottom is fine, and I am doing a vid, so hold on. But this guy right here, I'm gonna actually go to his YouTube channel right now and show you all, because I've known him for a pretty good number of years. About 3 to be exact, and I've been subscribed to his channel for a long time. Now, I'm going to be having 2 channels. One's for tech, and this one's for mainly goofiness and stupidness with me and him. I'll show you. I'm going to show you his channel. So I'm going to go to add tab, go to YouTube. Mind you, this isn't a sub for sub. I've been subbed to him for a long time. He just found out I had a channel, and he enjoyed my content, so he subbed back. So he subbed. Not back, but he subbed. Ugh, I keep on getting tongue twisted. But, I'm gonna look it up right now. Hold on. If it'll let me. I'm so glad the name popped up because that gives me something to spell off of. But, alright, no. Okay, I'm not subscribed right now because I'm not signed in. Which isn't that big of... Darn it. But, if you go to his channel, he does all kinds of goofy stuff. He does mainly speakers, blowing speakers. But he does games, sort of vlogs, I guess, drums, you name it. I'm pretty sure he does it. You'll probably like him. He's very goofy, funny, and just all around fun to be with in person as well. Now, me and him decided to do a YouTube channel together because we both like doing YouTube, and we both, I'm just gonna do something real quick. LL and the video goof. But, pretty much, I figured I would do that because he did this for me on Insta. Because me and him were trying to, I guess, get heard. Now he's stuck at a certain amount of subs, but I do hope this helps. A lot, actually, for him. He doesn't necessarily do what I do, but my main channel is focused on tech. This is focused on blowing out speakers and a little bit of randomness. I targeted a certain thing. If you like his channel, or not channel, but yeah, well, yeah. If you want to go check his channel out, go and do that. That is awesome, and I totally recommend it because you'll laugh hard. I will be putting my other channel in the links from now on, in these videos as well. That way, y'all can go check that out if y'all want to anytime. Now, it won't be in this one because we haven't even got it set up yet, but we're so busy trying to do that. Channel art, customization, email, all that good stuff for YouTube channel. But I figured I would make a video on how to install RetroArch. I've already made one for Dolphin Emulator, but this is more of a wide variety of consoles. This is for Target. Now this RetroArch does use Dolphin Emulator for two things, which is GameCube and Wii. I myself have not tested the Wii out on Dolphin Emulator, but I know for a fact that the GameCube works. And I hope that helps, and see you on the next video.